Welcome to this Hilton Jones presentation on the COVID VAT deferral payment scheme. Before we start, let's just quickly recap on how the deferral scheme came into effect. We cast our minds back to spring 2020, during the first national lockdown. The Chancellor announced a package that enabled businesses to defer their current VAT quarter for 12 months. At the time, it was proposed that this VAT quarter would be deferred until March 2021, which is now, of course, fast approaching. Given the course of the pandemic and the effects on the economy, the scheme has been introduced to allow businesses more time to catch up. So let's look at the scheme. Basically, there are three options available. First option, simply pay the VAT on or before the 31st of March 2021. The second option is to register online for the scheme, which opens on the 23rd of February and is available to join until the 21st of June. If you don't join by the 21st of June, you won't have the option of paying by instalments. Alternatively, if you still need help to pay, you can contact HMRC on 0800 024 1222 to negotiate an alternative payment structure. If you don't do one of these three things, you'll be charged interest and penalties on late payments. As previously mentioned, you can register for the scheme from the 23rd of February to the 21st of June 2021, unless you operate the annual accounting scheme or the payments on account scheme. If you operate either of these, you instead will be invited to join sometime in March. It's important to note that you have to join the scheme. You can't get your accountant to do it for you. You must be up to date with all your VAT returns, and when you join, you must pay the first instalment. So you need to choose your joining date carefully. Once registered, you pay by equal instalments, and you must pay by direct debit. It is worth pointing out that it doesn't affect any other agreements you may have with HMRC that are already in place to pay any other outstanding taxes. The new scheme lets you prepay your deferred VAT in equal instalments interest-free. You can choose how many monthly instalments to make, depending on when you join the scheme, up to the maximum of 11. The table sets out the monthly joining deadlines, allowing for direct debit processing, and the corresponding number of maximum instalments, which includes the first payment. Before joining, if you haven't already got one, you must create your own government gateway account. You must submit any outstanding VAT returns from the last 4 years and correct any errors on your VAT returns as soon as possible. You must ensure you know how much you owe, including the amount you originally owed, less any amount you've already paid. To summarise, the scheme opens on the 23rd of February. You must join yourself through the government gateway, and there are a maximum of 11 equal monthly instalments if you join on or before the 19th of March.